yields in the late 1700s. Not a viral clip, probably.
Yeah.
OK, well, let's move on to The Independent. This is also a climate change story. What's
we love climate. We love little climate change. So they're obsessed with climate change stories. So climate change is increasing plane turbulence, new research shows. I mean, who are these nerds? The University of Reading looked at data over a 41-year period to determine the link. I mean, what a thing to spend your time on. And they've discerned that, yes, there's a slight increase in turbulence on planes because of something to do with the warmer air from CO2 emissions increases wind shear in the jet stream.
So the more you fly, the more uncomfortable the flights will be.
Well, I think it's all part of the attempt to stop you flying, which is what they want anyway. Of course, they want you eating the bugs and being happy in your little eco-pod, owning nothing, never flying, 15-minute cities.
Who wants
Klaus Schwab, Andrew, you know.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm a vegetarian. He's not going to get me eating,
He'll eat the tofu bugs, the fake Bill Gates bugs. Anyway, it says that the findings established that the total annual duration of severe turbulence rose by 55% from 17.7 hours in 1979 to 27.4 hours. So there's mildly more turbulence on planes that they won't let you on anyway.
And this, I think, Lewis, is a non-story. It's like, who cares? A bit more turbulence, that doesn't matter.
Well, I wish you hadn't have said that, because I was planning on just saying I'm not going to discuss this at all because I don't believe in climate change, man-made climate change, as a major thing. It might be a thing. I don't believe in it, and I'm going on strike for this story. But you had to spoil it by saying it's a non-story.
That's a way to go on strike in the story. Talk a lot about it.
I know. I'm with this is so. I don't know the data on this, but usually what they do is they pick a low point. They pick a low point, and then they say it's gone up to the high point.
This is incredible, Lewis. You're challenging the scientists here by admitting you don't know.
But it's different. You can read the Daily Skeptic and get a very different take on the science.
Okay.
Just FYI. I don't even work for them. It's just a recommendation.
OK, well, we're going to move on now to The Telegraph now. Obesity is back in the headlines and bigger than ever. Lewis, you will have something to say about this,
Oh, my God.